Today we are checking out a useful tool for your Mac device, and that is Eney. It's an AI-powered search and command for your Mac devices, and it's local. You know what it means. Let's check it out. Hey, Shivam here, and you can take advantage of the free trial from the link in the description below. So first up, let's talk about what Eney is. This is an AI-powered app that can do searches and a lot of useful commands that you won't find on other applications and even in the Apple Intelligence, and it makes everything so intuitive and easy to do, like uploading your files directly to your Google Drive and then sending it to your contact or anyone you would like to. You can use it to trim videos and things like that. We'll check out each and everything in a second, but let's see how to install it and use it. First up, you have to go to the link in the description and get the Setapp subscription, and once you have that, you have the application for Setapp. You can just install this from here. So I'm just showing you exactly how you would see when you would install it yourself. You will also get the experience like providing permissions and etc. And you will see how to set it up as well. So first up, we have to agree on the terms and everything. So it's there, yeah. Hi there, I am Eney. I speak human and can help with all kinds of my Mac tasks. So now we need to provide some permissions. We'll do that. You see, I have a lot of applications right here, and these are mostly through Setapp. So let's turn it on. This is in beta right now. So one down, one to go. We'll have to provide the full disk access. So the setup is complete and it's doing some work. So it will take some time, about 15 minutes. And it's done. Now there's a pop-up right here. So we need to provide the contacts information. So if you would like to, you can allow, and if you don't, then you just don't allow. You also have these options. So now you can see a lot of features right here. You can trim the video, you can connect to VPN, you have remove image background, convert units, clean up junk, summarize document, Word to PDF, translate, and much more like that. So we'll check it out. So how do you use it on a daily basis? So let's do a quick task. Let's just trim a video. So we can drag and drop the file here, or we can just click on it and add a file. So let's say this one, I'll just add it here. So we have this pop-up where we can trim the video and then just click on trim. We also have the option to revert it. So if I click on trim, you will get to see it's working. So here is the new file. एक बनाता है वो है इसकी customization, which is the trimmed version. That's great. I just like it. And it even has cute reactions. Now you can work on the documents on the system and it stays right there unnoticeable, and when you need it, you can just click on it, it will appear. Now when you don't need it, you can just put it on the side. You can place it anywhere on the screen you like. So this even has this cute animation. You can just put it on the left and it stays right there. It's quite cute. You also have the option to put it on the right side. Same animation, you can put it also on the bottom. So it's there. Yeah, so you have all these options. You can't put it on the top, by the way. You have three sides. I think it looks best here. Then you can just open your browser, do your stuff, and see it was automatically hidden. There's this small notch on the screen. You might be able to notice, and when you go near to that, it just pop out. That's cute. So whenever you need it, you can just pull it out, or you, I guess, simply, or you can just click on it. And if you press escape, it will go back. Now let's talk about what it can do for you and how it can make our lives easier. So think of it as the spotlight search, where you use the command space, you have everything, you can search for things. It is kind of like that, or you can think of the Alfred, which is another search application for Mac. It's similar to that, but with AI. To quickly access the Eney, we have to press the option twice and it will appear. And if you double press it again, it will go back. So that's the shortcut. You can get to the settings and change that as well. So here's the shortcut. You can change it to whatever you like. Talking about the things it can do, it can search for our files that are local files and folders by pressing the option twice. We have the Eney available, and then we can search for anything like this. So it has searched for the files. It can search for applications as well, like if I search for Adobe. So we have all the applications available. You can also search for browse tab and history. Next up is AI powered answers. It's not just web link. Unlike Spotlight, which provides you links, it will actually answer your query. Let's ask, who is the richest man? So it says I can't handle this locally yet, so I need help. So we need to allow him. So it's searching, and there's another cute animation. So there you go, you have the answer. An interesting feature that a lot of users will find helpful is the AI meeting summaries. This can join your meeting and listen to it and give you key takeaway points, summarize it, and do a lot of things like that. And I think this feature alone helps a lot of users. Next, we have command and workflow. You can deploy a lot of commands right into this. Like you can ask to toggle some settings, you can open URLs, launch applications, and you can even create new items like new notes, new tasks, new docs, etc. So let's check it out. If I just ask him to change the system appearance to light mode. So we need to provide. So yeah, it has done it. Yeah. So if I ask him to turn it back, yeah, see how easy it is. Let's also create a task like let's move on to the integrations. So on the integration front, it can be most beneficial for productivity nerds and teams. Like you can connect your calendar, your email, your notes and task management and do all sorts of things by just asking Eney. Let's see. So we might need to link our Google account here. You also have the option to connect your Google Drive as well. So right now I'm just not giving the permission, but you can do so. And after doing so, you could easily upload the files to your Google Drive as well. Just ask him to upload this file to your Google Drive and then it will provide you the link. You can also ask him to share the link to your contacts as well. So that's how intuitive it is. And let me remind you, you can't do these things with your Spotlight search. And yes, we can use this to do that tedious task of splitting PDFs and merging PDF files. We can do straight on from our system and locally. That's the best part. And if you talk about the privacy, it's local, so it's safe to use and you can put your sensitive information to some extent. Let's also have a quick look at the settings. So to do so, we have this menu bar item. We can just right click it. If I left click it, Eney will appear. And if I right click on it, we have the settings. So here we have all these options, quite minimal. You have add files to Eney from Finder. You can just right click on a file and find to send it directly to Eney. Then you have open it login, that's enabled. You have the option to show in menu bar. You can just hide it if you don't like it. And then there's shortcuts. You have open Eney by pressing the option twice. And you also have start dictation by option S. There's sound option and that's it for the settings, quite minimal I would say. So who is this for? It works perfectly for any Mac user. You could be a student, you could be a professional, you might be a content creator or handling teams. It's perfect for you. Now let's jump to the pricing because that's also important. So this app is available on Setapp, which is the platform that provides you a lot of useful applications, paid ones, for a single subscription that you pay and use all the apps. And if you check out the marketplace, there are a lot of applications. Like you can see there's Clean My Mac, Bartender, Paste, CleanShot X, iStat Menu. There's Luminar, there's also Permute, there's a VPN subscription there as well, there's Nitro PDF and a lot of useful applications. So instead of buying all these applications separately, there's just this single subscription to your monthly bill and that is not that expensive either. So if you check out the pricing, this is the pricing on the monthly basis, $10 per month for one Mac, and if you get to the annual subscription, it's just $9 per month. If you have multiple Mac and iOS devices, then you can check out the other two plans, but there's also 7 days of free trial and you can take advantage of that from the link in the description. So make sure to do that and try it out. And if you didn't like it, you can just cancel your subscription. However, that's it for today. Now, what are your thoughts about Eney? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you want to have access for infinite clipboard history, then you can check out Paste application that we did a review on the channel. This is also available on the Setapp, and there is also CleanShot X that is perfect for taking screenshots on your Mac device. There you go. It's also on the Setapp. However, that's it for today. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.